Welcome to English Direct, where you learn English without translation and in a fun way. Today, we are going to learn about whoosh, the world. The world. This is the world. The world is round. Round. It is round. I am spinning the world. We live on Earth. On Earth. The world is big. Big. Very big. The world has land, and water. Water. Blue. The water is blue. The land is green and brown. Or white. Oops. Sorry if anyone lives in Greenland. The world has 7 continents. North America, which is Canada, United States, Mexico, and Central America. Next we have South America, which includes all of these countries. So there's North America, continent, South America. We have Africa. Africa has a lot of countries. Africa, and it is big, a big continent. Next we have Europe. Europe. Here's Europe. Europe is big also. Next we have Asia. Asia. Here we have Asia, which goes all the way over here to Japan. We have all these islands here. Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Philippines, all of these. So we have Asia, Europe, Africa, South America, and North America. That is 5 continents. Next we have number 6, Australia, mate. Well, they've got kangaroos hopping around. No, but in all seriousness, they do have kangaroos. Australia is an island. It is surrounded by water. There is water on all sides of Australia. That's number 6. Number 7, Antarctica. When you see a Coca-Cola commercial around Christmas time, this is where they film the polar bears. Antarctica. It is at the southern pole of the world. Now, let's learn directions. We have north, south, east, and west. There are many ways to remember this. We have many different phrases, such as never eat sour watermelon. You just remember it like that. Never eat sour watermelon. Never eat soggy waffles. Those are 2 most common. So north, to the north. So north is up north. We go south, South America. It is under North America or below North America. So north, south. Then we go east. East is to the right. So east is to the right. Boom. East. And west is to the left. West. So let's do some exercises. Europe is to the west of Asia. Asia is to the east of Europe. Australia is south of Asia. South of Asia. Africa is to the south of Europe. North America is north of South America. And South America is to the south of North America. Africa is to the east of North America and South America. Now let's learn some directions. Let's practice directions for countries. France is to the west of Germany. France is to the west of Germany. Italy is to the south of Germany. Italy is to the south of Germany. The United Kingdom, bruv, is to the west of the Netherlands. The United Kingdom is to the west of Netherlands. Norway is to the north of Denmark. Is to the north of Denmark or above Denmark. Poland is to the east of Germany. Polska góra. I love Poland. Afghanistan is to the east of Iran. But Iran is to the east of Iraq. So if we remember, north, south, east, west, never eat soggy waffles, never eat sour watermelon. These are the basic directions that you need to know, and I hope that this helped you solidify or improve on your directions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.